Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Have you experienced that you have been misinterpreted? Wherein you have good intentions, but some people will interpret you otherwise. Sometimes when you just trying to be good, and yet some people will give other interpretations. Such an experience, my dear brothers and sisters, is also what Jesus underwent in our gospel reading today. Yesterday, if you remember, the gospel ended when Jesus was stoned. And today, in our gospel reading, also, the Jews picked up rocks to stone Jesus. May gani ang uban nato, i-misinterpret, i-chismis raman, pero ang Ginoo gilabay gyud og bato kasakit ana. Demeaning. Kasway mo gilabay bato. Demeaning kayo. And what was the reason? Precisely because for them Jesus committed blasphemy, saying that he is the Son of God. But what was the reaction of Jesus? He continued to preach the word of God. He never retaliated. Siguro kung kita batuon, sa metong buhaton, batuon sa nato. Ang uban ikiha. But what did Jesus do? Jesus never retaliated. Jesus continued what was his mission on earth. My dear brothers and sisters, all of us might experience what Jesus underwent in our gospel reading today. We might be misinterpreted. Others people will make stories about us, against us. But we have two options. First, either to retaliate. Kanay ba itong pag-retaliate? Ang uban dili mubato. Unsa may atong buhat sa retaliation, nasunahuna sa ato isulti, may tagbamatay ka, may tagabaan ka, may tag-inaog sa chapel, maslide ka sa hagdanan. Our retaliation is in our mind. But on the other hand, we could always follow the footsteps of the Lord, continue doing what is good.